Welcome to the Galactic Starcruiser room tour. So this room is bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more like a cruise ship cabin. Right as you enter, here is the bathroom. It has a nice shower, pretty deep shower with a rain shower. And then there's a nice full-length mirror there. Toilet situation, closed off with the door. And then a single sink, lots of towels. What is this? Hand soap and lotion. Nicely lit mirror. And then it has a pocket door. As we flip around, here is another mirror with water and 2 glasses. And then here's plugs over here. The water says that, let's see, this bottle is available for use while on board and may be refilled in the atrium, which is nice. There's area down here for our shoes. There's a nice closet space here. So we have a safe, a fridge, shelves, extra pillow. Well, there's robes in here. Closet space. Much bigger than, like I said, I anticipated it to be. And then we come into the bedroom. Here is the air conditioner, heater, a phone. This little thing talks to you. I'll insert a clip of it. It's kind of your directory information system.
This is where we'll talk throughout your journey. And I cannot see into your cabin as this is an audio-only link. So please speak clearly. So tell me, what brings you to our treasured ship?
And then here is your television. Maps our course. And then as we come along here, there's no windows in this room, so this is the emergency hatch should we need to evacuate. This was on. Somehow it's off. I don't know how to turn it back on, but it did show us the galaxy. And then here are 2 chairs. Okay, so let's pull this out. Okay, so here's a desk, which is nice. And then here are 2 chairs, which do open up for storage. So you can sit and have that. And then as we come over here, here's a little nightstand. One thing that's interesting, there's no USB here, no USBs. There's 2 plugs here in this nice little nightstand. Recycle and trash, little light. This is the bed, and it's a queen size bed. And then we have the 2 bunks there. So there's the bed, and then the bunk and the stairs. On this side, oh, we do have a USB over here. So we have 1 USB and 2 plugs, little nightstand. I think that these are probably not quite a twin bed. Probably a little bit shorter, but still pretty good size. My son's gonna sleep up there. So that is the room tour. That is what we have here. Okay, so the window was shut, so I guess you can turn it off at nighttime. My son is gonna show us.
So this means open viewport. So all you have to do is you have to push that red button and slowly but surely it'll open. Wait.
Okay, so I see. So we probably turn it off at night so we can sleep because I think it is probably pretty bright. But as you can see, the screen raised.
Mm-hmm. And if you want to close the viewport, it's just a screen window. You push the white button.
Okay. Oh, and there we go. And then the screen comes down. Thank you for the demonstration.
You're welcome. Now if you excuse me, I'm going to get back into my bunk. I really like my bunk.
Okay, so for size comparison here, my son is 8. He's about 52 inches. And I know his legs are up, but can you lay down for me in the bed?
Yeah.
Perfect. So it does look like he still has a pretty good amount of room in there.